Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the Hotspot controls so you can edit the password immediately. Swipe down twice and long press Mobile Hotspot. This puts you directly into the Hotspot panel. Once there, make sure mobile data is enabled because the hotspot requires it. Tap Configure Hotspot or set up Wi-Fi hotspot to access the SSID and password fields. You're doing this first to avoid extra navigation. Changes are applied faster from the hotspot configuration screen. Now change the password itself. Select the password field and type a secure passphrase. Use at least 8 characters with letters and numbers for basic strength. Make sure the security mode is set to WPA2 or WPA3 if the option is present, because that encrypts traffic and prevents casual snooping. After typing the new password, tap Save or Apply to commit the change. Once done, connected devices will be disconnected and must rejoin with the new password, which is normal and expected. Finish by reconnecting your devices. Choose the hotspot SSID and enter the new password. If a device keeps using the old credentials, forget the network and connect again. This clears cached settings. If devices fail to get an IP or can't connect, restart the hotspot or reboot your phone to reset network services. Make sure hotspot permissions and data limits aren't blocking access. If problems persist, verify carrier hotspot allowance and try changing the channel or security mode to resolve compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.